it too. Hello guys. Hello guys. Guys, hello. So it's Dejavu and today we will play Hello Neighbor and today we will play Hello Neighbor. Yeah, Hello Neighbor. Yeah, Hello Neighbor.
Hello neighbor.
Sorry if I'm stuttering a lot. Sorry
Come on.
because I'm a little bit old now. And now we're gonna do the bowling session. I mean the bowling method. Thank you so.
Hello neighbor sister.
I know.
In a kwarto.
In the room. In his bedroom.
Ay.
Not in the quarter, bro. What?
Bro, just a door. I know.
He saw me. Shut up. He just died. Oh my god, bro.
I've died.
Get the magnet.
Yes. Tsaka kukunin ko yung para ko sa ano.
Yeah, I know that.
Okay, come on.
Uy. Aso.
Look at me, bro.
So let me
Bro, let me add. Generator is there.
add across here. Oh.
I leave. Look, I leave.
No.
Pero neighbor is here. You're not editing more.
Ouch. Oh, we'll put
Why
it right
are
here.
you in my chair?
Wait, we have a cluster in the game. Why are we gonna use cluster in this? Yeah.
Let me. I'm done. I start.
So and now I'm at the top of the world.
Oh, it's raining.
Okay, now we're at the basement. So let's hurry up. Pick 4 boxes. Open this.
Ой, вы заносимость. Окей.
Get the magnet. Hindi kasi marunong. Okay, now open this. Open that. Get this chair. Put that out. It's Roblox. That will because I don't have money to buy Hello Neighbor. No, Dwayne. Tahimik ka na lang. Diba, nakita mo kung gano'n ang katahimik ka kanina.
Oo.
Sige.
Magkano ka nakat?
So now here's the chase. I'm at Act 2. And I'm gonna leave my brother alone in Act 1. I'm going ahead. Ito slow ba? Okay. Ooh, bacha. Uchi bacha. Ooh, bacha. Uchi bacha. What do you mean?
What do you mean?
No, for this, that. No, this. Now it's at his back here and let's get that. Got it. I got it, Mama Man. Open that. And open this back thingy. That. Open up, bro. Thank goodness. I'm freezing cold in water. No, just a joke. I'm just showering. I just showered like. I mean. Where did Boo came from, Boo? It gave me a little bit of a heart attack. Wow. Okay. Oh my. Oh. Look. Wait. Look. Oh my God, a secret.
Bala ko dyan, maglilid na ako. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
Another
11,
secret
12.
way.
Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye in the channel.
You pindot this and pindot that pag in-pindot that.
Yes.
So bye guys. Thanks for watching Mini Deja Vu. And please like and subscribe to Deja Vu and Mini Deja Vu. And he'll end the video now. Okay, go. Go.
Why?
Tapusin mo na.
Yung ano?
Pinutin mo yan. Pinutin mo yung check. Okay na. Tapos na.
Hindi na ako sa Coco Melon.
YouTube yan. Coco Lemon. Magkaway kayo. Hindi, nag-iingay ka. Tapos punta ka yan. Punta ka riyan. Punta ka riyan. Punta ka riyan.
Beriya, beriya, beriya. And boogie booga. Raya, 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 usud. Tega. Raya, raya. Tingnan. Red.
So wait guys, I'm okay. You cannot video. I
Yes,
can.
I know.
Kuha
What's
ka,
in my video?
kuha ka muna ng mga video ganito. More videos. So it's making YouTube
Adam.
shorts.
Adududi. Bye.
Ha! Bro, you don't even know how to make fun. Just do your trending ones on your videos, please.
No. Raya, raya, ya. Puga. Raya, raya, raya. Raya, raya, ya.
So let's go. You can open this because you can go past through walls, even doors that is locked.
Tapos na ako.
What? Queen Jan? What? Hintay mo lang kasi.
Kasi may video ko sa Roblox.
Buksan natin yan. Ano yun? Aray. Bro, he's kicking me at least. At my head. I'm bleeding. Just a joke. No, get out. Oh, let's go. Shit. I remember doing this whole time, like for like 27 minutes.
In 7 minutes.
Oh my god, I can see the whole. Yes. Gawa ka rin ng video mo dyan sa TikTok. Guys. There you go. Gawa ka pa ng video.
Saan ko na ilalagay ah? Oo, kaya ilalagay ko.
So his name at TikTok is also Mini Dajavu. Please follow us. My name is Dajaverti at TikTok. We're trying to punch him in the screen. Now we go back here so we can back down. Oh my god, it's still never. So we're gonna go up here and go back that. And later I'm gonna do another TikTok video. Tignan mo. Crouch and a long throw there. Get this oh, there we go.
Bro.
Yeah, this. He saw me. Please. No. Oh my god, bro. Okay, bye guys. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Bye.